right, Dave. Emma in California needs our help.
Okay.
All right. She's thinking about creating a website but feels a little overwhelmed. So do you have any suggestions that could maybe calm Emma a little bit?
I do.
All right.
Just keep it simple. Focus on the essential 3 pages that you need to have on your website. That's the home page, the about page, and the contact page. And that's true of any business that you have.
First, the homepage. Think of this as like the front door to your business. You really want to make a great first impression, so make sure that you are telling them exactly who you are and what you do.
Next is the about page. And this is your chance to tell your story and share with people how you help them solve their problem.
And then finally, the contact page. Make sure that people know how to reach out to you. Be sure to include the details of your location, your hours, and your preferred method of communication.
Excellent. So to recap, all you need is a home page, an about page, and a contact page. Now, depending on the nature of your business, you may need additional pages. For example, if you're a restaurant, you're going to want a menu page with pictures. Dessert pictures.
Focus, Dave.
Hope that helps.